Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If your YouTube search is not working, don't worry about it. I have some tips to fix this problem, so keep the video till the end and follow my step. If your YouTube search is not working, then first long press on the YouTube icon and go to the app info. Click on the permissions and then click on the microphones and tick allow only when using the app. Now click on the search and click on the mic, and while using this app, click on it. Now speak. In case if it is not working, then simply go to your Play Store and search here YouTube. If any update is available, then update it first. After updating, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.